Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to teach you how to do my space buns and my top knot bun, and let's get into this video. So I'm going to show you my everyday bun and the way I put my hair into my little two buns. Y'all, I love high ponies. I know they get a bad rap because some people's heads are not shaped in a way you should have your ponytail up here, but I think it's the position of your ponytail. So anyway, we're gonna get into it. So today, my hair has not been moisturized and sealed. So that's what I'm gonna start off by doing first. And I'm actually looking into the mirror, and the camera is like right behind the mirror. So this is all of my hair. God, I hate my hair. So what you're gonna need is a comb, brush, your gel of choice, your moisturizer of choice. I don't know if you can see that. Any oil, and water. This is just water, y'all. So what I like to do, really quick, simple, for my two buns on top of my head, I like to section it down the middle. I know my hair sounds crunchy, y'all, but that's just because it's wash day and I want to do this video on my stretched out, weak worn hair. I know I should probably put some music at this part, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna talk. Okay, so look, I was reading, oh my God, I look crazy. I was reading Son of No One. By the way, I'm already finished, and a book review is coming probably right before or after this video. But as I was reading, right now I'm gonna moisturize and seal. First, I spritz my hair, put a quarter amount in my hands, massage it on my, well, not massage, but just, you know, get that all in, working into my hair. And then I take a dollop of oil and boom, that's it. Okay, so anyway, so as I was reading Son of No One by Sherilyn Kenyon, I started to get like one of those light bulb moments, you know, like she was the author that I chose to read growing up. And, you know, her books are mostly, or all of them, I believe, are romance novels. And I've read a few books by Susan Sizemore and other people or whatever, but I'm starting to think maybe I wasn't supposed to be reading books like that when I was younger, because I have this warped perception of how romance should be, and I think that stems from the books. You know, like in Sherilyn Kenyon's books, you always have the battered hero, and usually typically have a female who has a quirk, like she reads tarot cards, or, you know, it's just something awe about her, or she's just going through some type of, I don't know, something that can be explained away quickly. And these people are not these people, y'all. I'm getting stuck. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my gel and just put it on my edges. So I'm gonna put it right here, and then I'm gonna take my brush. This gel is like really, what do you call it? Sticky, y'all. I would highly recommend using a different type of gel, but this is all I got. So I like to brush my hair back. I like high buns, really high buns. So there's no reason for me to turn around, because y'all finna see these right on the top of my head. And I brush to the side to make sure no hair from the other side is coming to my other bun. So right before my ear. I don't know if y'all can see that. Right before my ear, I just, boom, just like that. And then I do it like that. Y'all, my hairstyles are so childish. That's probably why ain't nobody trying to check for me. Cause I be like, damn girl, how old is you? And you still wearing buns? I don't give, they cute. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. So anyway, yeah, I was just thinking like I know I'm probably ranting or whatever, not ranting, but like babbling. But basically what I'm trying to say is the books that her books and other romance novels, it just paints a picture of very unrealistic love. And when you're young and impressionable, you don't really think about, you know, that aspect. You just think, oh, these are some awesome books and these men are loving these females at first sight and, you know, all of these things, and he can't be without her, she can't be without him. It's love at first sight. All love is gonna be that way. That's so amazing. And then when you become an adult, you're like, damn, it ain't nothing like this. It is not like this at all. Why was I lied to? And then the worst thing of all is these people in these books, these characters that these authors write, you already have a false sense of what love is actually supposed to be like. And then when you get older, you get into the dating world, and it's like, why doesn't this man love me automatically? Why can't he be without me? Blah, 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 whatever. And you got people who say, oh, well, that's not true love, blah, 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 whatever. No, I'm looking for my little abused, that sounds so terrible, but I'm looking for my hero. You know what I mean? Like, why don't men have the hero complex that I was so heavily reading on when I was like, okay, y'all, look at my style. So this is the first style that I like to wear my hair. And my two little cute buns. Childish, I know, but it's cute. All right, so the next one I'm going to show you is how I do my everyday buns, y'all. This is just my high bun. Like, literally, just my high bun. That was the rubber bands. So all I do is I take my hair, and I can't remember what video I seen this in, but I'm sure I'll find it, and I'll put the name at the bottom, but I really can't remember where I learned this from. So take something, it doesn't have to be a rubber band, and just do that to your hair. This is how I get my perfect little high buns. Brush your hair up. I already got gel in my hair, but you're gonna want to put gel on the sides and in the front and in the back. So I'm gonna brush my hair up like these. Hold the bun in the front, like so. You're gonna take your elastic band, please don't pop, and boom. Oh shoot. Whew. All right, then you take the rubber band or elastic band, whatever you got out, and part your hair, roll it or twist it, whatever, into a cute little bun. Keep rolling, y'all, keep rolling. I get lazy sometimes, I don't roll it, just come out looking all crazy. And then you can take another elastic band or a rubber band, hold your hair in place. I don't know if y'all can see that. Pull a rubber band over it, give it a wide berth, and then boom, there we go, cute. Look at my little top bun. Y'all probably like, girl, ain't nobody finna do that. That's so simple, but look, it's cute. And if you don't want to do it on yourself because you're like, girl, I'm like 20, 30 years old. I'm 25, so I like doing these hairstyles those are my like main go-to hairstyles because I have a lot of hair, and if I'm not braiding it, like I'm really not gonna do anything else with it. So this is like boom, that's it. 2-minute wake up, 10 minutes before I gotta go to work, which I usually do. Split my hair down the middle, boom, the other style. Or I do it in this one maybe 9.5 out of 10 of the times before. Okay, so I was trying to do this in an angle where you can actually see my hair, but once you do that little quick little style, if you want to, y'all, don't forget to put your wrap over your head, like the front, so you can hold it there for a little bit as you like putting your clothes on. And what it do is it just holds the hair down so that you can, you know, finish getting ready, and it'll slick it down. Like, it'll be real slick when you take it off. Also, another quick little thing you could do is you could just take it out. I do this sometimes too, not all the time, but majority often than not. Y'all, I done drop my thing. Okay, so what you can do is I look crazy. This, if I had like, if my hair was washed, this would be a cute little pineapple, but it's not. So you just take like the back of it, take your little rubber band and pull it through at the top, and it'll give you that little cute little, I don't know if y'all can see that. Look at my curls, they dry, y'all. Like I told y'all, just watch that. I probably should have did this video on dry hair, but you get the point. Imagine it's wet and juicy and curly at the top. Boom. Okay, then you take your little thing out. See, y'all can't even see that, but you see how slick that is? It's not slick like some of these girls, because like I told y'all, I don't like doing the whole a cow lick my head look. I'm just not for that. But anyway, yeah, and you can tuck it throughout the day if it'll start getting on your nerves. Get this little cute little Emperor's New Groove ponytail. Boom. Oh, that's actually really cute. I like that. Okay, that's my attempt at what you call it? Voguing, freezing, camera ready, picture, I don't know, whatever the words are. But anyway, y'all, again, I hope you like this video. Make sure to share, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.